Welcome everyone to Techtember Zim Edition, and today I'll be showing you one very cool kit. It's called the Wi-Fi Smart Security Kit and we're going to be taking it for a spin. In the box you get the bare essentials: a magnetic window or door breach sensor, a doorbell, a motion sensor, a pair of remotes, and the brains of the whole kit, which is the hub. If you haven't noticed already, this whole kit is wireless, which is a plus on installation because you don't need to worry about routing cables and fastening them during installation. I am very happy that all the stuff comes with batteries pre-installed. They even have the different double-sided tapes and mounts for all the components that need mounting right in the box. Very nice. The setup process is simple enough. We can even do it together if you have just got yourself one of these. Step 1 is installing the SmartLife app on your phone. You can download it on Google Play or the App Store. I'll put a link in the description for those that need to download it. From there you can create an account. Once that is done, you will be sent to this screen to add a new device. Step 2 is to turn on the hub using the switch on the side of the hub. A ring of light will turn on briefly, then switch off, and then a red light will start blinking. Connect your phone to the home Wi-Fi, then in the app go to security and sensors, then go to alarm Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi you are connected to will show up and you'll need to enter the password. This just gives the hub access to the internet. Once that's done, you'll see the progress bar fill up and the setup will be complete. Step 3. Lastly, it's pairing the sensors to the hub. For that you can go to accessories, then click on add. The hub will sound a beep signaling it's ready to pair. We will do the motion sensor first, and all we do is turn the switch on. As soon as you do that, the hub will beep again and a new sensor will appear on your phone. For the breach sensors, you just put the two pieces together. Click the add button, wait for the beep, move the two pieces away from each other, wait for the second beep, then wait for the sensor to register on your phone and boom, it's added. For the doorbell, the procedure is just like above, except that after the first beep, you press the door button. If you have not picked it up yet, let me give you a pro tip. The process of adding a new sensor or remote goes like this. You press the add button on your phone, wait for the first beep, trigger the sensor you want to add, wait for the second beep, wait for the sensor to show up on your phone, and repeat. Let's talk about the highlight features, but before we do that, please subscribe to the channel and like this video so that I can keep making more of these for you guys. In the app and on the remote you have 4 alarm modes. Home mode is a standby mode that you can set if someone is at home. The sensors that are set to active will send notifications when triggered, but they will not ring the alarm. Away mode is one that has all the sensors activated. It's for those times when no one is left at home, and so in this mode, if a sensor is triggered, you will get a notification and the alarm will be sounded. Disarmed mode is what it says really. All sensors are deactivated, so in this state nothing triggers the alarm and no notifications are sent. It's for when the whole squad is at home and there is really no need for the alarm. Then there is SOS mode. This one is most useful for emergency situations where if you press the button on the remote or in the app, it immediately sounds the alarm. Let's look at how far you can mount the sensor away from the hub. For the window or door sensors, the motion sensor and the remote control, the maximum distance is 80 meters. And for the doorbell, the maximum distance is 150 meters. Note that this is the distance in free space, so in a house the range is definitely going to be shorter if there are walls between the hub and the sensor. In the standard 4-bedroomed house that I live in, I was able to mount all the sensors anywhere I wanted with no issues, so I think majority of the homes will be fine with it. If you're wondering how many sensors the system can carry, it is up to 20, and for the remotes it's up to 5. Also, the kit I got has a limited selection of sensors, but you can also add others like smoke sensors, gas detectors, glass break detectors, and water leakage detectors. And again, because they are wireless, you can set them up really conveniently. The hub also supports voice commands, so you can arm or disarm it using your Amazon Alexa powered smart speaker. It's also a night light. Granted, it's not a very bright one, but with a 550 mAh battery, it's a sacrifice there to make to ensure that the hub has good battery life for more important things. They could have just put a bigger battery though. And this takes me to the annoying stuff about this security system. So it does not have any battery indicator for any of the parts, including the hub itself, so you have no way of knowing how much battery is left in any of the bits. Also, when you are charging the hub, there is nothing to show you whether it's charging or it's full Nothing. The contact sensors only work on left-hand windows and doors. For right-hand windows and doors, you have to mount the set upside down, which I am not sure is healthy for the sensors. With how tech is improving, I would have loved all the sensors to have built-in rechargeable batteries. I feel that for the average person, to get the exact battery for a specific sensor can be a little bit too cumbersome. I most certainly would have wanted the hub to come with a much bigger battery and brighter light too. Maybe even come with a removable mount, allowing me to throw it onto a light socket. The manual says the hub has a feature allowing it to act as an access point and pretty much boost your Wi-Fi signal, but I have not been able to activate that feature without resetting the whole thing. But it does have some things going for it too. Everything is wireless, so you don't have to worry about unsightly cables ruining your perfect aesthetic. The system has a heap of customizations you can set up for a custom experience, and you can even make the alarm smarter by pairing it with an Alexa-powered smart speaker. It's very modular, so you can buy the hub and just add more sensors over time if you are running on a tight budget. And talking of price, this kit with the bare essentials to get you started retails for just $70 US. No monthly fees are involved as well. I'd love to give a special shout out to Wysia Smart Tech for hooking us up with these review units. This is such a good product for the money, and personally I really am considering buying it. It's smart, it's modular, it's very affordable, and you can get it locally as well. Hope you loved this video. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below and I'll answer them for you. More Techtember videos are in the works, so make sure you are subscribed so that you don't miss any of them. Till next time, goodbye.